Okay, now the screen is up. So what you're about to see now is just me taking an ordinary Solidity project and getting it live on board chain, deployed, verified, and interactive in just a few minutes. I'm not going to write anything board chain specific here. This is the same project you deploy to Ethereum or BSC. So watch how little actually changes. So here is the project. One contract here, demo token. So this is a completely standard OpenZeppelin ERC20. The exact thing you'd get from the OpenZeppelin wizard. It's a token with minting, burning EIP 2612 permit for gasless approvers and owner-based access control. Nothing exotic and nothing custom to this chain. So if you have written a token before, this is boringly familiar. Yeah, and that's the point. Yeah, so now I'm going to prove the test pass here. So before I touch any network, my existing test suite runs. Luckily, same as ours. Yeah, you can see here the passings here, including the permit signature test. So this is the part people underestimate. Your tests don't change. The chain you deploy to doesn't touch your test suite at all. So now I'm going to show you one change here. So here is the entire migration. This block right here. I added a network core bot chain, a name, the RPC URL, and the chain ID, and that's it. So this is what people mean when they say low migration cost. It's this, no new framework and no rewrite. Yeah. So now let's get over to the deploy process. So yeah, now I'm going to deploy, and yeah, it's compiling now. And then sending the deployment transaction to bot chain. And because the blocks are around 3 seconds, and this confirms almost immediately, and there it is here. So it printed the contract address and direct Explorer link here. So that's a live, the contract on bot chain. So we are going to see it just on the Explorer. So this is the block scout explorer for bot chain here, and here's my contract created seconds ago. So you can see the creation transaction and the deployer and the token itself, name, symbol, initial supply that got minted in the constructor, and this is real on chain right now. And now I'm going to verify the source now. Before we proceed to verifying the source, you can see here the contract with no symbol here. So now we are going to verify the source. And yeah, if you just copy and paste this and just run it, yeah, this, I've just verified the source code so that anyone can read and trust it. So this publishes my Solidity to the Explorer and matches it against the deployed bytecode. So you can check it here and see here, you can see the green check here, verify source. So you can see that there's now a read and write here, the contract tab, and anyone just can inspect exactly what this contract does. So same flow you already know from Etherscan style explorers. Now, yeah, I'm going to show you how to interact live now. So last thing, let's actually use it. So let me copy the address here and just paste it here, replace here in the M file and here. So I'm gonna mint some, the tokens, and that's a transfer. So yeah, so new transactions and confirmed in seconds and the balance updated. So you could do this straight from the Explorer's right tab 2 here, and now that it's verified, and that's a full round trip, deploy, verify, interact, all on board chain, all in the time we've been talking. So that's it, and I already made the Solidity project live on board chain, deployed, verified, interactive in a few minutes, and you can just see here, the transactions right now here. Okay, thank you.